The best smoothie to boost your immune system. This green smoothie is full of essential vitamins to boost your immune system and increase your energy. Start your day on the right foot by fueling your body with this smoothie filled with oranges, spinach, turmeric, and other anti-inflammatory ingredients that may help prevent sickness and power your immune system. You will feel healthier, nourished, lighter and more energetic by incorporating this drink into your daily routine. All you need are 5 minutes, fresh produce, and a blender to make this delicious smoothie for breakfast, or a satisfying snack. Ingredients you need: 1 cup freshly squeezed orange juice. 1 lime freshly squeezed. 1/2 cup Lifeway Plentiful Coconut Vanilla. 1 banana. ½ tablespoon turmeric. 1/2 tablespoon chia seeds. 2 cups baby spinach. Wash all your produce well before starting. Place your ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. Enjoy!